the KSOUND EP-K06. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds with active noise cancellation. These are the KSOUND EP-K06. KSOUND is by Key Series and the parent company is AI Power, which has many popular brands. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, small, medium, large ear tips, and a USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour, and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C, active noise cancellation and an ambient feature, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case definitely has a compact size design. It has a matte finish all around with a grippy feel to it, and the KSOUND branding is on the top. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it's very easy to open and close. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and are also easy to grip and remove from the case. It has a glossy finish on the inside with the ear indicators marked on each side. The earbuds have a stem design, but it has a sleek and flat look, almost like the Libertone Track Air Plus. It has a matte finish all around just like the case. On the inside it has the ear indicators, and on the outside face you will see the branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, LED, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Controlling playback and calls is just a matter of tapping a few times, and toggling the ANC feature along with ambient sounds is just a long press. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 30 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck.
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, just wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, just wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my loan.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the KSOUND EP-K06 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when watching video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the KSOUND K06. They seated well inside my ears. The large base towards the ear tip sits well just outside my ear canals, and the tip doesn't add excessive pressure. They felt secure and not loose at all. And the touch controls are a plus as it doesn't add pressure in the ear canals when controlling. Build and quality is fair. Simple case design that provides good grip, and the earbuds are light and easy to grip as well. It has a slim profile and it doesn't protrude out as much. Touch controls are responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The active noise cancellation feature worked as advertised. It blocked out a good amount of the surrounding noises. I had a fan in the background along with an air purifier to test, and there was good noise reduction. The ambient feature was loud. When activated, the microphones picked up the surrounding noises. And to toggle these features, you just have to hold down for a few seconds and a voice prompt will identify what setting you're on. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely had its presence. It's tight and punchy and definitely not lacking. Doesn't sound boosted and it was just enough for my taste. Mids and highs also came in loud and clear. It is dialed up a notch but not too forward. I felt that there was good balance across the board and it sounded great with various music genres. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel these earbuds perform. More and more we are seeing earbuds with ANC features and the price point is very competitive. These in my opinion are a good alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro. The sounds and features definitely perform and it won't break the budget. So that is my review of the KSOUND EP-K06 True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.